fine. We're damaged, really damaged, but that does not make us wise. We're not special, we're not different, we don't choose who lives or dies. Let's be normal, see bad movies, sneak a beer and watch TV. We'll bake brownies or go bowling. Don't you want a life with me? Can't we be 17? Is that so hard to do? If you could let me in, I could be good with you. People hurt us or they vanish, and you're right, that really blows. But we let go, take a deep breath, and go buy some summer clothes. We'll go camping, play some poker, and we'll eat some chili fries. Maybe prom night, maybe dancing. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Can't we be 17? Is that so hard to do? If you could let me in, I could be good with you. Let us be 17. If we've still got the right. So what's it gonna be? I wanna be with you, wanna be with you tonight. Yeah, we're damaged, badly damaged, but your love's too good to lose. Hold me tighter, even closer. I'll stay if I'm what you choose. If I am what you choose. 'Cause you're the one I choose. You're the one I choose.
All right, we've got Christina. I'm sorry, I meant Chrissy. She advised me just before this interview that I was not supposed to call her Christina.
No, because no one knows me as Christina. Like my friends on Facebook might type Chrissy and they're like, you're not here.
Okay, so if you ever want to find where she is on social media, just write Chrissy, not Christina.
No, Christina. They're looking for Chrissy and they
So why
can't
don't you
find
just
it.
change the nickname
That's
on
a
Facebook
good.
already?
That's a good point.
You're welcome for the suggestion.
point.
So, welcome to episode 8 of Musical Mondays. We've got Chrissy Despot here with me today, who just performed for us 17 from
Heather's the Musical.
From Heather's the Musical. Now, tell me a bit about the song. Like, what are you singing about? Who are you singing to?
The song is basically this duet. It's supposed to be a duet. I sang it very alone, but it's between JD and Veronica, and it's sort of the epitome of teenage angst, honestly. It's about her trying to convince him to sort of move on to a better side, which is a bit ironic because normally she's like a very angsty teenager.
All right,
and so it means a lot for her, to be singing.
So basically they're both rebellious teenagers.
Yes, JD a little more.
And she just wants to be a normal teenager, a normal 17-year-old,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Now you're not truly 17 years old.
No.
You're actually 21?
22.
She's 22?
Turned 22 recently.
Okay, but you look, I mean,
I know.
I won't do any short jokes, I promise. I'm sorry.
It's okay, they're allowed, they're welcome.
Okay, so how did it feel? Like, did you ever go through something like this? Did you have a teenage heartthrob, a teenage relationship where you felt that it was just too adult for you?
Is it bad if I say no?
No, it's not bad at all. Maybe our viewers had some relationships like this before. If you did, don't forget to leave us your comments down below, and we'll be here to reply. It's fun just to hang around.
Yes.
It's like we have a live chat room.
If you were like me and you were like just super rebellious and you didn't really care about that
she's
stuff.
super rebellious, isn't
No,
she?
I'm better now. I'm better now. I'm
Okay. So moving on from your rebellious angst, I see that you've got the badge right here.
Yes.
Where did you get that from?
from you guys.
From me, or from us, sorry. The Kettle Club.
Kettle Club.
Did you join the first event?
I did not because I had
Okay.
like some kind of exams or something. It was something where I definitely
But you
couldn't
saw
make
it live, right?
I did.
You saw
I
it.
did.
What did you
I
think?
Did. It was incredible. I swear my favorite parts about what they do is that they take any kind of song and they will twist it. For example, my
But
favorite.
for Music on Mondays, we stayed very true to the characters. We kept things simple because why not?
No, of course. But like, no, for example, my favorite part from the last Kettle Club, the first event, was the, what's that Grease song? With Paolo.
Summer Nights.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
we switched roles.
Oh, it
so
was
that was
genius.
interesting.
I met a girl crazy for me.
I met a boy, cute as can be.
I never realized how well it worked. It was hilarious. I was laughing alone in my bedroom watching the live. Like
And now, so you did not join the first event, and now you're here performing with us on Music on Mondays. And how did that happen? I remember she walked into an audition room. Like that.
Basically, yes.
That's how she walked into the audition room.
I walked into the audition room,
And
yeah.
she was actually cast for our second show, which was going to be called Disney versus Pixar, but this show had to be unfortunately postponed due to the global pandemic
Yeah.
everyone knows about. I won't go into that detail.
They
So,
were like,
Christina, I'm afraid I'm running out of time.
Don't worry.
It was a pleasure having you here with us today. So, yeah, ciao, ciao.
hi guys, thanks for watching. If you would like a playlist of the Musical Monday performances, you can click right here. If you want to find out more and join us, it's right over here and over here for subscription. So, subscribe and click the notification bell gently with a chainsaw.